Here's Crosby.
Alright, buddy, let's see what's inside. What do you see?
What?
What is it?
Look!
What is it? What is it?
This!
Surprise eggs?
Yeah.
And who's guarding them? Who is that? Who's guarding them?
Lightning and tomato.
Lightning and tomato.
Wait a minute. What's that?
What do you think that means?
That's a box.
Yeah, it is. Do you think we should open? I think you should open the pink egg first. I think it might tell you a little bit about what's going to be inside the other eggs.
Yeah. Can I open
Yeah, let's open the pink one first. Let's see what's inside.
Ugh.
You kind of twist it. Who's that?
Figure I need.
What do you think that means?
That means
He looks like he's ready for
race.
a race.
Where is it?
We better find him some friends to race with. Whoa, that is super cool.
And look at what it comes with.
I know, it's called the Piston Cup Race Off. Wow. Should we open it?
Yeah. Can I tell the camera? Sorry, camera.
What's wrong?
I have stuffy nose.
Do you think you can still open all the presents?
Yeah. But Jackson's stores. Can we open Jackson's store, please?
Of course you can. Here, let's see. Crosby, introduce him to Lightning.
Lightning, meet Jackson's store.
Do you think they're going to be friends?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, now let's open the track.
Yeah.
Build the track. What do you think?
Yeah.
So first step, it says you put that in that. You were right.
What?
This goes in there.
Yeah.
Let me see how it goes. It looks like it faces that way. Yeah, exactly. Good job. Oh, you're already trying. Uh-oh. Okay, then. Now put these here. These go here. We got to put these on. Bring that over here so I can put it on. Perfect. This gets slid on here like that. And then that one goes on there. Yep, slide it. Oh, no, hold on. Let it get hooked on. There you go. Now push. Perfect. Yep, slide it. Oh, it's only on one side. You gotta slide on both sides. Oh, oops, that way. Good job. Breck's making noise.
Yeah. First to do.
Ah, what do you think?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. And then let's see what comes. What am I doing wrong?
Mommy, watch this.
Oh, I see.
Mommy, watch this.
What?
Watch this.
Ah, cool.
Lightning one.
Yeah, this goes here. How's that look?
Yeah, good.
Pretty good?
It's Jackson's store.
Okay, who's the first race?
Lightning versus Jackson's store.
Lightning versus Jackson Storm. Let's see how it goes. Whoa! Who won?
No!
Oh, no. Oh, Lightning wins!
Sorry, Jackson's store.
Maybe next time.
Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Click to subscribe.